Hi, my friends. I'm back. Welcome back. So, I want to do a little grounding practice with you. I think that it's really important, especially during these turmoil days, to be able to ground yourself into your body. So, just focus here with me, taking a few deep breaths. No crazy poses, just you and your body, listening to your body. So I invite you to find a seated position that feels comfortable for you. If you have the possibility to grab something, a blanket or a towel, or like me, a pair of pants, put it under your bum, under your sit bones, so you can come a little bit higher, and so you feel that you're taking a little bit offload off of your hip flexors. I am inviting you to sit with me in a cross-legged position, and if this feels too much, you have different options. You can sit with your feet in a butterfly position, open, feet in front, whatever works for you. But if you can, find a cross-legged position that feels good for you. If this is a little bit too much on your knees, you can also put 2 blocks, if you have yoga blocks, under your knees to relieve the stress from your hip flexors, from your knees, or also a towel, maybe socks, just something that you have nearby in your home to just offload the legs. So let's together now find the time to actually come into ourselves, tapping into our body, and let's make sure to listen. So I invite you to close your eyes. Take a moment here for yourself and just see where you are in your body today. What is the first message that your body wants to convey to you? Are you listening to your body? Are you listening to your body's needs? Are you giving your body and yourself the nurturing it needs in order to thrive? Listen, tap in. What is your body telling you? Take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale out through your mouth. Let's do it 2 more times together. Inhale, exhale with a sigh. 1 more time. Inhale and exhale. Put one hand over your belly, the other hand over your other hand, and just feel how this physical connection grounds you into your body even more. This physical touch. Feel how your body is rising and falling. How it grows bigger and becomes smaller with every inhale and exhale. A lot of old wisdom says that your intuition is exactly here in your gut. So what is the message that you're hearing from your body? Take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale through your nose. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, and exhale. Now set an intention for yourself. An intention that you can be accountable for. Something that is kind, something with compassion towards yourself, towards your body. And when you found that intention, ground it into your body. Ground it into this belly, to your belly, to your gut. And together again, let's take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale through your nose. Now, lift your left hand over your chest. Feel how you're connecting to your heart. Keeping your right hand on your belly and your left hand over your chest. Feeling that heart connection, connecting your heart to your intention. Go back and feel your intention. Can you ground it into your heart? Can you connect it to your gut? Can you send the intention back from your belly up to your chest? Playing with the thought that you have a little rope, luminescent rope that connects the belly and the heart. And your intention is flowing between the two of them, moving up and down with a beam of light and energy up and down. Setting that intention into your body. And from your heart now, grab hold of the rope and let's stretch it a little bit all the way up into your head. Connecting that brain, that beautiful brain of yours, to the gut and heart. Sending your intention, that accountable intention, from your gut, with light and energy moving up into your heart, with light and energy moving up into your mind, connecting the three of them. What a strong and beautiful connection. Big connection in your body, mind, heart, gut. Gut, heart, mind. And keep sending that intention that you've set for yourself. Gut, heart, mind, with a beaming energy of light, mind, heart, gut. And do it a few times at your own pace. Keep visualizing this beam of light moving up and down through your body, grounding that intention even deeper. And together, one last time, take a deep breath, inhale. And exhale through your nose. Put both hands over your heart. Inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. Give thanks to your body. Give thanks to yourself. Give thanks to whoever or whatever you feel that you have the need to thank. Share some gratitude, share some love for being here, being connected. Now gently let go of your hands, let them fall down. Place them over your knees. And one last time, take a deep breath, inhale. Exhale out through your mouth. Inhale and out. And inhale. And with the next exhale, open your eyes. Bring a big smile on your lips if it's possible. Send some love, some compassion, some gratitude and some kindness out into the world. And take care of yourself. Thank you.